Here's a quick video showing the basic Astable circuit from Forrest M's book on 555 timers. You could see based on the resistors R1 and R2 and the capacitor C1, it defines the output pulse width. So you can either make like it high for a longer amount of time or low for a longer amount of time, and it can be like really slow or really fast. It's a little hard to dial in. It'd probably be better with a potentiometer, which I'm sure he uses in future circuits. And you can see on the oscilloscope the waveform here. I'll turn it on and off. And actually, I'll zoom into the circuit so you can see it better. That's all for now. See you in the next video.